Hello, my name is Jane Hapola. My student number is 193020. My learner teaching throughout my teaching practice has been many of challenges that gave me a huge amount of motivational experiences. To be with learners provide me a great time and I learned numerous things from them. To be with learners make me to be able to make an exciting, caring and sincere learning atmosphere in the classroom. I started to learn numerous features throughout my teaching practice, which involves creating admiration and increasing my self-assurance and cultivating my management ability. It decreases interruptions and bad classroom conduct. In my teaching practice time, I observe a challenge of overcrowding in the school that I was doing my teaching practice. And I observed that from grade 1 to grade 3, most of learners have problem with fractions in mathematics. Enrichment plan to address overcrowding challenge. I will divide learners in group of 8 learners. I will exchange that groups of learners in 15 minutes. I will plan activity that will cause learners to participate actively. A, a, a didactic will that may help in tackling fractions in mathematics. I will use a plan of action that creates the stated mediating learning experience, which may support separate learning for fractions in mathematics. The first move will be to discover the specific problem area which stays within the focus area. One is able to understand at the peak which subtopics and learner is finding challenges. In these circumstances, the mediator will have to be the educator in which the educator goes about using the assessment tool. The teacher will have to choose which method to utilize, what will help them in rectifying the concerning matter in the most well-organized manner. Intentionally and reciprocity is the first method that will be applied. This method includes the mediator to supporting the encounter in a designing pathway by determining, expressing, and descriptive specific stimulants to constructively function to direct the care to the stimulating intervention because an expressive intentional activity. The teacher can use strategy called transcendence. Teacher will mediate the activity, making sure that the activity and the period wanted to finish the activity is according to the learner's competence and according to their learning levels. Once the activity's learning levels is changed, the necessary for the learner's answer will then need to be mediated. This is finished by supporting the learners to critically think before solving any problem and before giving any answers to the issues that rather make a big number of results instead of just thinking of one exact answers. Coming up with numerous solutions assists the learners to examine the issue and critically think of fractions on a profounder levels, guiding learners to answer in a further practical manner. The last move that teachers will go about doing is to encourage learners to be responsible for their learning by investigative the fractions activity so that their thinking competence can be improved. Learner will be taught how to critically assess suitable resolutions before and during the solving of the problems and answering of the question associated to the fraction. I thank you.